Good afternoon, and what a special treat I have with you here, James Paniatsky. And listen, it's great to be with you. First of all, for those people who do not know James, what is your role with our LG mini split heat pumps?
I'm the Canada sales manager for LG Electronics Residential Heating and Air Conditioning.
You know, James, it's great to have you here. So what brings you down here in our area today?
Visiting contractors and wholesale distributors in the Atlantic region. And we're talking about our new 15,000 BTU Prestige model. Produces 100% of rated capacity at -15, built-in base pan heater, and if people do a little bit of digging, it has the highest efficiency